What's good, everyone? KosherTech here. So today we got another build. Now this build is for the BSack. Now she just chose to go all out and build herself a epic gaming PC. Now she's also going to use this PC for work as well. She can do some PowerPoint, some software applications as well. But yeah, this was a little bit of an open box hustle as well. BSack, take it away. What'd you end up spending all this cash and buying here?
All right. Well, we started out with a budget, so that's why we went with as much open box as we could. But we did splurge on a few things that just kind of seemed like a necessity to really have
now
what I wanted.
Tell the KosherTech fans how much you got this nice, beautiful open box CPU.
This is my pride and joy of our hustle there. We were able to get the Ryzen 7 1800X on open box, so fingers crossed that there's nothing wrong with it. I know it's a little risky.
Well, Micro Center did say they tested it prior to selling it, right?
Yeah, they said it posted, so we'll see.
And tell the fans the price.
That's the really exciting part. I was getting to that. So with open box, we got it down to $230. And then because we also got the motherboard, we got the combo, it's another $30 off. Right. So that brought it down to $200 for a Ryzen 7 1800X. So exciting, my favorite part.
So what else did you end up getting? I see you have all these goodies here.
Yes, so we got the Crosshair 6 Hero motherboard. Goes really well with these Ryzen builds from everything I've seen online and not just from KosherTech.
Now this was also an open box hustle, right?
This also was an open box hustle, and what did we end up getting this down to?
153.
So 153 for our lovely motherboard here. I'm really excited. I do think that it has one of the most visually appealing looks to it. So once we get that hooked up, we'll have a little pretty light show going on.
She basically copied my rig. I'm gonna throw a YouTube link up there, a card up there actually, to show you guys my other PC. Basically, it's similar to this. I see you went Corsair out, of course.
Well, I did. Well, starting with the case, I have to say the 570X is what inspired me to do this build. I was really jealous of KosherTech's Ryzen build with the 570X. I fell in love with this case. I just think aesthetically it is one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. I love the smoked out gray tempered glass look, and once you have everything hooked up inside, how visually appealing the whole thing looks.
Now this was an open box hustle as well.
That was also an open box hustle. I think we got it for $120.
Yeah, 120.
If I remember correctly, $120 for the case.
120. Yeah, this case was open box. We got really, really lucky. This is something that she really wanted. And yeah, we got this down to 120 also in Micro Center. All of these parts all came from Micro Center, guys. They had a great deal, and we definitely took advantage of that. Right, well, before that, what kind of theme were you going? What kind of color theme were you going there?
I want to do red. I think it'll look really nice with the tempered glass look on here. I just like how red appears through that.
Red and black?
Yeah, red and black.
So like a red and black. Okay, and you got the RGB, the SP120s I see over here as well.
Yes.
The static pressure fans, the completely RGB as well.
Yes, and that will look really beautiful with that color theme.
I see you got Dominator RAM, of course. Now this is really good RAM. It's clocked to 3200. Now this is the same RAM I have, but I have the 32 kit. RAM prices are extremely expensive now. However, we did price match this, and we got it, I believe, for $220. I think we price matched it on Amazon, so that was a great steal. Guys, when you go out shopping, make sure you always take advantage of price matching. And if you're not sure if the retailer price matches, ask, but the majority of retailers all price match, so don't be scared of asking them. And just definitely price match, man. Just have that hustle. Don't let them rip you off.
Yeah, I was shocked by how much we were able to save just from doing a couple price matches.
So that was good savings.
Yeah, and I remember when we were at the store, there was 2 different RAMs that we were looking at. One was recommended by the sales guy, and honestly, I went with the Dominator just because I like the look of it better. So I was a little superficial in my RAM choice. And yeah, like he was saying, because of the price, I only went with 16 for now. Hopefully when the price comes down, I'll get some more, bump it up to 32.
Right. What else did you end up getting here?
Well, we've got the Samsung
850 EVO,
850 EVO.
which we also price matched as well. And I believe we got it for 130. It says over here for 170. We got it for 130. This is the 500 gig. She's gonna use an external most likely.
Yep.
This is most likely for what? Just gaming? The 500 gig?
Yeah, gaming.
So mostly gaming. All right.
Oh, the power supply.
Yeah. It's a really good power supply. It's a 750 G2 fully modular, 80 plus gold certified power supply. We wanted to go with the Corsair. If you guys watched my previous videos,
I'm gonna put this down. This is much heavier than I remembered it being in the store.
if you guys looked at my previous videos, I had all of the 750Xs, the Corsair fully modular 750Xs. They were all they're also all gold. 80 plus gold certified as well, but they were all out of Micro Center, so we went with the 750 EVGA, which again is a really good power supply. We got it for $100, and I believe it was 140. So it was priced for 140. We got $100, so $40 off. Again, price match, guys. It's it's gonna save you a ton of money. Altogether, I believe she saved what, like 300 plus.
Yeah, it was almost 400.
So it's close to $400, guys. So just remember, always go for the hustle. Try to get something. Just also keep in mind that all of these parts are still under the manufacturer warranty as well as the retailer. Some of these parts from Micro Center are still under their 15-day, and 30-day return policy. So just keep that in mind. With this, I see you have just this cardboard box now.
Yeah, my cardboard box.
What is this little cardboard box here?
This is a Corsair gaming keyboard. Again, I picked it because it's pretty. I love the colors on it.
It's the K70.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. So really excited to see that in action with the fun color scheme.
Right. So it's the Cherry MX switches.
Right, and this was refurbished, so we got this
refurbished from Corsair. It's $100.
$100.
And matching that
up. We also
up.
got the mouse that matches with it. Same kind of really pretty colors. So it'll look nice when it's together.
The M65 Pro gaming mouse, and I think we got this for, I believe it was for $50. It was on sale for $49.89.
Yes.
It's another $10 savings.
Obligatory, nice big mouse pad for gaming, so you can put the keyboard and the mouse right on it. It looks really nice. I totally copied KosherTech.
I was just about to say that.
I admit it.
She is biting off KosherTech,
man. You know, when I see something pretty and I want it, I gotta do it. What can I say? We got this thing, which I gotta be honest, I have nothing to say about it, so you can talk about this guy. So
we got an AIO all-in-one water cooler. Now this is the H100 V2, H100i V2. I assume all of you guys are familiar with it. So we're gonna smash this bad boy up to heat the CPU. Also, the fans we're gonna replace the stock fans. So we're gonna put the RGB fans to make it nice and tidy and nice and pretty.
Pretty.
Yeah. And what else we got here? Oh yes, the big boy, the big boy that's powering it all.
I did say that I had a budget in mind when I started this build, and this graphics card is the reason my budget went way over.
Now what graphics card is this?
This is the GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. I was originally thinking of just the regular 1080. I wasn't gonna do the Ti.
Right.
But some really bad influence convinced me, go big or go home, spend the extra cash, and have a gaming machine that you were gonna love. Probably so I don't come here and use his anymore. So that is why I went with this one. It really is like pretty much the best you can get.
It's a beast of a card.
Yeah.
Especially the table is too small, but she's gonna power this with the Asus FreeSync 144 IPS monitor. This bad boy. What games are you gonna be gaming with this PC?
I'm a fan of Mass Effect.
Andromeda.
I've been playing Andromeda. I need to go back and play the old ones since the storylines were a little bit better. But the graphics in Andromeda, I really love, and I love the whole sci-fi theme.
And you said you want to get onto some Witcher as well?
Yeah, I want to start playing Witcher. I haven't tried that one yet. I've been doing some Dragon Age Inquisition, although I'm not so great at it. I'm really bad at that tactical camera thing.
Okay.
I'm still figuring that out.
So what's gonna happen next? Are we gonna build this bad boy?
We are gonna build this bad boy.
We're gonna pimp it out?
I don't know. Are we gonna pimp it out?
We're gonna put some grills and
I'm not a pimp.
Some rims?
I know. We're gonna keep it classy. Keeping it classy with my beautiful Ryzen 7
1800X.
1800X.
Now she might start a channel as well, guys. Now
I don't know.
Now
We'll think about
if
it.
if she has a cute face, of course, comment below. You know, you guys could just give it to me, and the BSack is gonna take it away and just run KosherTech for what it is. You know.
But no haters, please. My
Hey,
fragile
hey.
ego can't take it. Don't hate on me.
But all right, guys, we will be back with the build. Hope you guys enjoyed the little breakdown of the PC, of course.
And this will be my first build that I am mostly doing on my own with KosherTech's guidance.
Yes,
So,
yes.
really excited. I've witnessed some builds between my family members and good old KosherTech here, but really excited to actually do one myself.
All right. Well, all right, guys. So we're gonna break this video down in a few parts. This is basically at first this is just doing an intro. I'm introducing you guys also to the BSack. You'll be seeing her, you know, set it all up. We're just gonna have a fun time building this. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be broken down in a few parts, and we will be back hopefully soon, right, BSack?
Yep, can't wait to build this.
All right, guys. As always, keep it KosherTech, guys. Hit that like, hit that sub. Peace.